just landed at LAX and it's midnight right now. So right now I'm in the terminal waiting for my friend Emma, whose flight lands like literally in like a couple minutes, and we're gonna meet up and get to the shuttle. I was really excited to see Emma at this point, and I completely messed up vlogging our reunion. So sorry about that. Hi guys! We're on the bus. We're gonna go to Indio. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This bus. Yeah! This is our campground, Lake El Dorado. This was home for 3 days. Here we are checking in with the front desk girls. They were really helpful and really sweet the entire time we were staying there. They made it feel like adult summer camp. It was so cozy. So now I am going to show you guys where we're staying. Check out my cute wristbands. This is the beautiful Lake El Dorado campgrounds. The white tents you see are called yurts. They hold 4 people. We were sleeping in one of those. It was really amazing. As you can see, there's multiple rows. There's about 100 tents per row. So there are about 500 people staying in this campground. To your left is the charging station or charging garden where everybody would hook up their phones in the morning. As you can see, there's further rows down there. At the end, there's teepees where 2 people can stay. We were going to get a teepee, but we decided to get a big tent to share. You can see the insides of the tents here. They're really simple. They come with cots, sleeping bags, pillows, coolers, and lawn chairs. They're actually really well stocked. But the tents are very simple inside, as you can see. It was 5 a.m., so everybody was still sleeping. And this is our little camp neighborhood. We were all the way at the end under a tree, which was perfect because inside the tents can get up to 100 degrees during the day. Seriously boiling. Here you can see inside one of the tents closer. See, really simple inside. It was such a beautiful campground, and this was my first time ever camping, and it actually turned out really beautiful. I was so surprised. This is the lakefront. They told us not to swim in the lake, but I'm from Florida, so I already know not to swim in the lake because I'm not going to get eaten by an alligator. There's Emma and Kim. See how beautiful? Across the lake there's some more teepees. Absolutely gorgeous. There were little ducks in that lake. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. And here we are at our tent, home for 3 days. It's really simple, just a couple cots and a couple girls. Hi my love, say hi to Kim.
Hello.
This is my best friend Kim. So we got here at 5 a.m. and oh that's loud. We got here at 5 a.m. and we literally had to hike up the road, me and Emma, so we took a long nap. I just woke up and we're gonna go get some breakfast. So this is where we would have breakfast every morning. They had acai bowls, avocado toast, coffee. It was like a food truck festival. It was so delicious, but kind of expensive. Okay guys, we are headed to the gates. The gates are open and we're ready to go. Emma, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you excited? Kim, are you ready? Where'd she do? We lost Kim. Are you ready?
Yes,
I'm so excited. We're going to the gates.
The gates. The pearly gates.
The pearly gates.
gates.
Bye guys.
With our
Lookbook time. This was my day 1 outfit. I got this adorable hat from Amazon, a velvet bralette from Forever 21, DIY shorts that were boys' jeans from the thrift store, a basket bag from the thrift store, and sandals from Wholesale fashion shoes. So we're in line to get through the gates. It's not really a line.
I'm so sad. I forgot my earplugs today. Why did I do this?
It's just like a crowd. It's weird.
Stupid.
Once we got in the gates, we went straight to see Callie Uchis. Isn't she amazing? I am so sorry you guys have to be subjected to my horrible singing during this vlog. And then Tyler the Creator popped up at Callie Uchis' show. I was so amped. After Callie, we went to see Kygo, one of my favorite house DJs. And then it was time for SZA. And then during SZA, Kendrick Lamar popped up. I am living for these surprise acts. Good morning, you guys. I know it's been a while since you saw me. We went to 6 shows yesterday. Went to Cash Cast, Callie Uchis, Daniel Caesar, Kygo, SZA, and they went to the weekend. I didn't go the weekend because my body was starting to hurt. I was so tired. But it's Saturday morning and Beyonce is today. Beyonce is today, and I'm so excited. You know what sucks about camping or glamping? When you wake up in the morning, you have to pee real bad, and you have to walk like 5 minutes to the bathroom. I just did that. It sucks. Here's my outfit for day 2, aka Beychella. My bodysuit is from Forever 21, my skirt is thrifted, my bag is thrifted, and my shoes are from Wholesale fashion shoes. The first show we went to was Flatbush Zombies, which is a really cool group, but there was a mosh pit there. I was terrified. And then we got to see Tyler the Creator. I was screaming along to his music. I love him. And last but not least, it was time for Beyonce. Can you believe there was a Destiny's Child reunion? I was screaming my lungs out. And of course she finished with one of my favorite Beyonce songs, Love on Top. You know I was singing along, high notes and all, key changes and all. There we go. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Me and Emma are gonna go get breakfast and then we're gonna do some yoga.
We're gonna revive ourselves from last night.
Yes, Beyonce was last night, so our bodies are like beat up. We're exhausted. All right, let's go get some breakfast. This acai bowl tasted like heaven. Shout out to our yoga instructor, Natalie. Her Instagram is Yogi in Wonderland. She was absolutely amazing, and the yoga class was so peaceful and relaxing. Day 3 outfit was super cute. My headscarf is thrifted, my top scarf is thrifted, my skirt is from Forever 21, sponsor me, my shoes are from Wholesale Fashion Shoes, and my basket bag is thrifted. My sunnies, so adorable, from Nordstrom, and all my necklaces and jewelry are from Amazon. First show we saw was Miguel. He was absolutely amazing. He's so sexy. And to finish off the night, we saw Odessa. The show was so magical and they put on such an act. They were like floating in the sky.
Coachella, how you feeling out there?
We're like curly girls, we're matching.
We are.
Hi guys, we are leaving the campground. Sad face.
It's the time to say goodbye.
Coachella's over and we're gonna go spend the day in LA. And then we're gonna go back to Florida. As you guys can tell and hear from my raspy voice, I absolutely loved Coachella and I will definitely go back next year. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a beautiful day.